Do you want to learn how to get the Amex Business Platinum credit card? This ultimate video is for doing just that. With 120,000 bonus points, this card is definitely worth considering if you're a business owner. And in this video, we will discuss all the different ways that you can qualify for the bonus and what you can do to make the most out of your business Amex Platinum credit card. So, whether you're just starting out with your business or have been running it for years, you're going to want to stick around for this video. One of the great things about the Amex Platinum Business Credit Card is that it offers 120,000 bonus points after you spend $15,000 on eligible purchases with your card in the first 3 months. So to put that in perspective, you can redeem these points for travel rewards, gift cards, immersive experience, or even cover some recent qualifying charges. You get 5 points per dollar spent on flight purchase directly from airlines or Amex Travel upon $500,000 per calendar year. You also get 5 points per dollar spent on prepaid hotels booked online on AmexTravel.com. You can turn your business purchases into more rewards by earning 1.5 points per dollar spent on eligible purchases at construction material or hardware suppliers, electronic good retailers, software and cloud system providers, and even shipping providers. So think about that. Most businesses have to spend money on one or more of those categories anyways, so it's a great way to supercharge your points earnings. You'll get 1 point per dollar spent on everything else and all other eligible purchases. This card does come with a $695 annual fee, but you can unlock over $1,400 in value per year in business benefits. Some of these include credits with Dell Technologies, Indeed, Adobe, and wireless telephone credit, and even airline fee credits. The welcome offer is not available to applicants who have had this card, and Amex may also consider a number of American Express cards you have opened or closed, as well as other factors in making a decision on your eligibility, so you might be disqualified if you've applied for a lot of other Amex credit cards lately or have recently canceled another Amex card. Card issuers usually check your business credit score first, but some issuers do their own credit scoring using the information you've provided. If your business does not meet the issuer credit criteria, then they will check your personal credit score. As with any other type of credit application, you want to ensure that you have a strong score before applying. Amex typically requires a minimum credit score of 670, but the better your score is, the more likely you are to be approved for this card. To apply for the Amex Business Platinum credit card, you will need to fill out the online application and provide information about the business, such as business's name, address, and the type of business. You'll also need to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Once you have submitted the application, Amex will take a look at your business and personal credit history to make a decision. And if you are approved, then you will receive your new card in about 7 to 10 business days. Well, the question is, do you have the Amex Platinum credit card? And let us know what you think about it in the comments. Be sure to check out the link in the description below if you'd like to schedule a call to speak to me one-on-one about your business and joining our Business Credit Builder program. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos on personal finance, credit building, and building your business's credit.